This is a review of the Anker 10 port USB hub right here. Now, I've been using this for about 9 years. That's right, 9 years. So this came out in 2015 until this day, 9 years later. It's been very great. It's been awesome. So if you need something that needs to expand your USB ports on your computer or PC, specifically 3.0 ports, this might be the hub for you. So right now, it's a messy setup I have at the moment. I'm in the process of figuring out, but you can already see I have so many plugs almost all filled out, and it's done its job. So right here is the power connector. This goes to your outlet. Um, is it necessary? I would say yes. If you're trying to use every single port on this hub, I would recommend you using the AC adapter and not just go with no power and not rely on only on computer power. This is the USB 3 port. It goes directly to your computer or PC, whatever you want to extend your hub. And you have these first 7 slots right here. These are all USB 3.0 hubs. I have a number of things plugged in. I have another USB hub right here that I just got, and this extends it to USB-C, SD cards, and so on. I have an external hard drive right here, a WD external hard drive plugged into this USB hub. No issues, no disconnects, and it does, it does really good write and read speeds for a USB connection. I have microphones and cameras plugged in as well as adapters. And the 3 spots over here, these are power only, and it's great because it's 60 watts performance when it comes to power. So if you want to charge your phones or whatever, this is what you would want to use. It does make the setup more centralized, so all your plugs and stuff go into one area, and it's been really great for me. I had no issues using this. In fact, it's so reliable that I have never had any disconnects with this. I have more disconnects with my PC Tower's I/O port, these connectors itself, rather than the actual connector for this. So it's been really good for me. It keeps my computer pretty much all centralized when it comes to plugs, ports, devices, all in one area. You will have an issue with cable management like I have right now, which is why I need to clean this up. It will get messy because this port, this hub, it does slide around a lot. It's very light, so it's you might want to secure it with something, double-sided tape or whatever, mount it on something and make it work for you. Or you want to use it as a portable device, that's fine as well, but I definitely recommend you plug it into a wall outlet and use it as a main USB hub extender for all your USB devices. Because as you see right here, I only have one more USB 3.0 plug and I need more. So I extended it. These are regular USB 2.0s, 2.0s. For USB 3.0, this might be the device for you. And 9 years later, I'm still using it today.